Welcome, dear creative, to the African Folktale Generation Crash Course. So, in this short course, you are going to learn how to generate African stories or any locality stories that you can use to create a faceless YouTube channel just like this one.
Once upon a time, in a village nestled by the banks of the great Niger River, there lived a young boy named Chukwudi. Chukwudi was known for his cleverness and quick thinking, but the village was plagued by a mischievous spirit that lurked in the waters, known as.
So in this course, I'm going to be teaching you from the scratch how to generate your title ideas, how to change your title into real scripts, how to change your script into voiceovers, how to generate image needed, how to change your image to videos, how to edit the video, how to get sound effects, and everything you need to know, going to how to upload it on YouTube and the thumbnail. So sit tight and let's learn. In this training, in this short training, here are the tools you are going to be needing. Number one, the Capcut app. Number two, the Bing AI image creator. You can decide to use the app or the website. I prefer using the website. Then the Leonardo AI website. Then you are going to be needing Gemo AI. You can use the website also. You are going to be needing ChatGPT as well. You can use the app or the website. 11 Labs. Then your notepad or WPS Office or Microsoft Editor. Then you're going to be needing Canva and of course your YouTube app or any social media app you want to be posting it on. So I'll include a link to all these tools needed in the description of the playlist you are currently watching and in the description of this video you are currently watching. So you are going to be needing all this at some point during the course of this training. I'm so excited to have you here and I'm sure it will be worth it. So without further ado, let's dive straight in.